Hey everyone, welcome to this old TJ. This video is going to be pretty short and to the point, but I have had viewers ask in the past how I get by mounting up a factory TJ rim with a 32 11.5 by 15 tire on the factory carrier and still manage to clear things like third brake light. And if you look, you can kind of see it. Third brake light really doesn't clear by much. It actually does touch a little bit, but it's not horrible. So the way this works, let's pop the wheel off here and I'll show you. Another previous owner installed item. You can see it has the factory mounting points all back in there. One on the bottom, some pretty solid looking nuts, and looks like zinc washer, at least on the bottom, yeah, on the top too. But so this thing's been put on here, and that makes the standoff just about perfect, at least for the 11.5 wide. So we'll grab a tape measure here and I'll give you some dimensions. So on alignment for this thing, this sets it off about, looks like about 2 1/4 inches. So it gives you a fair amount of space off the factory carrier. And height difference for mounting, I mean, it looks like it's going to raise your tire position, I'd say at least 1.5 inches over where it was setting before. So don't know where you find one of these. I'm going to guess something like Quadratech, Amazon, right? Your used local marketplace, since it is for a TJ, and you can probably hook yourself up with one. But my Jeep's had this on here since I got it. That's probably about 20,000 miles, no problems whatsoever. I'm going to bolt that wheel adapter on here, get this JK wheel on, and see how that fits. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button. You know, if you want to, if you got anything out of this, hit that little like thing. It helps the channel out, and be watching for more.